my name's Brooke with WTI, and I have to show you this Bedsure comforter set that is so comfortable that I'm enjoying at night, and my husband and I, we share, and that's really important because we both need a lot of comfort and blanket wrapping around us. This is the queen, and yet it's wide enough for the both of us. I love how the pillow shams stay on the pillow, and I don't have to readjust and stick my pillow back into that pillowcase. So with this, I don't have to worry about that. And the material is so soft and easy to sleep with. I'm not getting tangled up at night. I feel very luxurious when I'm asleep. I love the material and the way that it was made because it's Oeko-Tex Standard 100, which means it's been tested against 1,000 harmful substances, and that means I'm not putting that on my face when I'm sleeping. It's very easy to take care of. I was able to wash it and dry it in my own washer and dryer. This is very inviting to look at, and you can flip it as well so that the white is the main part with the coral orange being in the floral pattern. So you can get two different styles with just one comforter set. But my favorite feature is definitely the comfort itself, and it's nice to elevate my sleeping, and that's my point of view.